Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is about the tutorial of connecting the Skydroid H12 Pro to the CUAV 7 Nano Flight Controller. The Skydroid H12 Pro remote control is equipped with wireless high-definition image transmission technology independently developed by IMUs technology, which integrates remote control, data and image links into one. It has adaptive frequency band characteristics and can automatically switch to the working frequency with the least interference, achieving a communication distance of up to 10 kilometers. The CUAV 7 Nano Flight Controller features a double floating-point arithmetic H7 processor, all-new dual industrial-grade IMUs with redundant design, and an innovative stacked structure. Despite its small size, it provides rich interfaces, an integrated Ethernet port, support for switching 5V 3.3V PWM output, and compatibility with Ardupilot and PX4 firmware. This video mainly consists of 3 parts. What products will be used in this test? How to connect the wiring? How to present the results? What products will be used in this test? The products used in today's video include the Skydroid H12 Pro, CUAV 7 Nano, and a Tata 16,000 mAh battery. The cables used include the H12 Pro S.Bus Plus Telem cable and the CUAV 7 Nano power module. How to connect the wiring? Connect the S.Bus port and the telemetry port of the H12 Pro to the RC port and Telem 1 port of the CUAV 7 Nano Flight Controller. The H12 Pro connector is a 2.54mm 6-pin DuPont. The 7 Nano telemetry port uses a GH 1.25 6-pin connector, and the RC port uses a 2.54mm 3-pin DuPont connector. The 7 Nano power module connects to the battery to supply power to both the flight controller and the receiver. How to present the results. After wiring, power on the H12 Pro remote controller. Configure the parameters, then open the tool assistant. Click Advanced Settings, enter the password 999 and check the baud rate. Set the baud rate to 57,600 and click Save. Next, open the QGC ground station. The ground station will automatically connect. If not, go to the top left application settings, then communication links and click Add. In the link settings, name it arbitrarily. set type to UDP, port to 14550, and server address to 192.168.144.10. Click Add Server, then OK. In the Communication Link interface, click Connect. Return to the flight interface. Moving the flight controller will show its real-time status in the ground station. Go to the Settings tab in the top left corner, enter the RC calibration interface, and test the remote controller. You will see that the S.bus control works correctly. This concludes today's tutorial video on connecting the Skydroid H12 Pro to the CUAV 7 Nano Flight Controller. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. If you have any questions about the content, or would like us to go deeper into certain parts in future videos, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We will continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and practical guides. See you in the next video.